In this video, I am going to give you an overview of the Heavenly Island, things to do and other useful information. Yes, this is Havelock Island. This island is now called Swaraj Island. Havelock is an island in the Indian Union Territory. This island is sparsely populated, clean, beautiful and popular for its scenic beauty. This island lies 41 km northeast from Port Blair. To reach the island, you first have to reach the Port Blair airport, and from here a cruise or government ferry will take you to the island. It takes 45 minutes from Port Blair jetty to reach the Heavenly Island. You can easily get regular flights to Port Blair Island from the other major cities of the country. The best time to visit Havelock is from October to March. During this time, the sea is relatively calm and the weather is pleasant. 3 days and 2 nights should be the ideal duration for a vacation at Havelock Island to relax and rejuvenate. You can indulge in all water sports and spend quality time in nature. The island has various beach-facing tents. There are cane chairs and tables in front of each tent, and the palm trees and turquoise blue water will mesmerize the view. The 45 minutes boat ride from Port Blair jetty towards the Havelock Island is an experience in itself. A journey you will remember forever. All along the way from Port Blair to Havelock Island, you will enjoy watching the ever-changing colors of crystal clear water from emerald to turquoise blue, and also get a sneak peek into the rich coral reefs underneath that holds your attention and keeps you engaged and thrilled in the Havelock jetty. I shall recommend the first day to stay in Govindnagar beach to explore the coral island and mangrove during low tide. The moment you step onto the soft white coral sand, the scenic location of this isolated island gives you realization of meaninglessness of the materialistic world we live in. Ambience of the island also makes aware of the fact that real happiness can be only found in the lap of Mother Nature. My next destination is Radhanagar Beach. The long stretch of the beach makes it easy to find a cool place, making it perfect for nature lovers who want peace, and obviously for photographers longing for that perfect shot. Situated on the western coast in the Havelock Island, Radhanagar Beach is one of the most popular destinations among the tourists. With its breathtaking sunset, this beach is something straight out of a wonderland. It is also known as Number 7 Beach. This beach was once titled as the best beach in Asia in 2004. This crescent-shaped 2 kilometers long beach is known for its soft silver sand. With the pristine sand rushing beneath your feet towards the sea and the unspoiled emerald blue waves running towards the shore, Radhanagar Beach is everything you would ever dreamed of. The sandy beach and the tropical forest are breathtakingly amazing, especially during sunset. Take a short drive in the wee hours of the next morning and arrive at the stunning Kalapathar Beach. Experience the break of the day as you watch the magnificent sun ascend from the horizon. Kalapathar Beach is a stunning long stretch of white sand which welcomes travelers with its unique lining of big black rocks beside the serene blue sea. It is one of the most beautiful beaches in Havelock Island. Located on the tip of Havelock Island, the name of this beach, that means Kalapathar, is derived from the adjoining village. It is a small and peaceful beach in Andaman, where you can spend leisure hours at your own pace. Being a relatively isolated and protected beach, Kalapathar doesn't have the usual resort. that other beaches have. The whole beach is lined up with rich greenery, and one of the best features about the beach is that it is comparatively silent and has less crowd, which becomes a reason for why it sticks close to the visitor's heart. As the number of people are less, Kalapathar beach is very special for couples and families who would like to spend time in peace. The second day, your destination should be Vijayanagar beach, and book your resort here only because Vijayanagar beach is one of the most beautiful and pristine place that gives you the feeling of being in the middle of nowhere. Tents with basic amenities make for a comfortable adobe. Luxuries of technology won't cross your mind as you have so much to feel: fresh air, greenery, serenity, and your own time away from the crowded beach shores. The beauty of the beach has been praised so much by those who visited it. It is always better to come here freely just to roam around, or to float on the shallow water, or to read under the large shade given by the huge trees on the shore, or to do sunbathing. The collection of mahua trees and palms is the significant ornament, making the beach a splendid place to sit back and just relax. Next morning, your eyes should be the witness of the morning sunrise at Vijayanagar beach. I can surely tell you this sunrise is going to remain close to heart for those who love to spend time in calm nature. The regular touch of the sapphire blue water on the pearl-like sandy beach makes no noise, and it is one of the reasons people choose it for the perfect destination for couples and family. Your last destination in Havelock is Elephant Beach. It will take almost 4 to 5 hours to complete your journey. Elephant Beach is one of the main key attractions located on the Havelock Island in Andaman and Nicobar. It takes around 20 minutes to get to the beach via ferry. The sight of the beach alone is enough to make you fall in love with this place. Elephant Beach is very famous for the bright coral reefs that one can find at a depth of just 1 meter. The warm crystal clear water and the bright sunlight makes for a perfect snorkeling experience. Some of the most popular attractions around the beach include swimming, fishing, and other super exciting water sports that are famous in Andaman. At the end, I just want to say, if you are looking for a real getaway from the crowded beach locations and want a peaceful time, Havelock should be on your mind to explore the real taste of Mother Nature. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Bye.